Hello guys, today we learn what is IActionResult in ASP.NET Core Razor pages with Visual Studio 2022. To implement this, we have required Visual Studio 2022. Let us see what is IActionResult. In ASP.NET Core Razor pages, you typically use IActionResult or its derived type to represent the result of handler method like OnGet and post, etc. This approach gives you flexibility to return different type of responses such as page, a redirect, a file, or even a JSON result. Now let us see an example common return type in ASP.NET Core Razor pages. When you return like page, return the current page. If you want to redirect to another page, simply you will write redirect to page name, and if you want to redirect to controller with action, so what you will do, redirect to action name, then controller name. And if you want to return a raw data, so simply we write content hello, return raw content. If you want to return a file, so you will write like file, return a file. If you want to JSON object, so simply you write JSON object returns JSON data, often used in AJAX scenario. Not found, return a 404. And if you want to return BadRequest, so simply you will write BadRequest, return 400. When you will use IActionResult in Razor pages, you need to return redirect result types, different result types, like sometimes a different redirect, sometimes to the page. You want to flexibility similar to MVC controller methods. You divide our tasks without IActionResult when the handler always returns the page and does not need to verify its output. Now let us see our example how IActionResult will return the data. So open Visual Studio now, click on create new project, then select ASP.NET Core Web App Razor pages, then click on next. Here you can provide the project name iAction. You can give according to your projects. Now click on next. So here you are using .NET 8.0 long-term support. Now so your project will be created like user IActionResult. Now you can see in different folders. Now here you will go in index method. In index method already created. So we will delete this one. Now here OnGet OnPost method. So here we will use OnGet and OnPost method to redirections. So let us see. Before proceeding, we design a form like username and one submit button. So first we define a model. So go to pages, add, create a model. So go to projects, right click, then add new folders, then models, and after that we need add a class like your class name, view model. Basically I am created view imply details, view model. Now click on add. So here you are created a view model, and then you write like prop. Here you write EMP name, string, and we'll go here like first write bind property, then after that we write public virtual imply detail view models, make object imply details and get set. Then after that here you can see onGet method. Here I am writing public IActionResult onGet, and then simply I write return page, that is return the current Razor pages. And also you can write here do something like fetching data from database and showing the on Razor pages. So that is the onGet method. Also I will write here a post method. So here you can see public IActionResult on post. If not model state is valid, then return pages. Here you can see stay on the same page if the model is valid. Otherwise, here you can see imply detail dot imply name and string, a variable where you can store, and you can see main thing like redirect to pages. I am writing here privacy page, so it will redirect to another page, privacy pages. Already privacy pages is there. Here you can see that, and also we write like an index method imply detail dot amp name, that is a input type text box ASP for that is strongly bind to the models, and there is one submit buttons. Now put first breakpoint here and run this application again. So when you run this application, it will directly on the onGet pages. You can see pointer will here and return the same page. And here I am putting like imply name and put like John and put debug point here and click now submit. So after submitting the button, it will check. Here you can see you can get the data whatever you have put on the text box, and then after that you have this page. From this page you have redirected to another page like privacy. Now F10. Now continue. So that's why you will redirect it to another page like privacy. So this way we will use the IAction result in the ASP.NET Razor pages, which is useful for the redirections. Now let us see some code what I have written here. That models, view models I have created. Here is dot CS pages like onGet method and bind property, virtual imply details, getting property as, and then after that OnPost method with result action result, and action result I have redirect to another page.
Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.